A new vision is emerging for the Bailey's Crossroads Business Center to become a major urban destination spot in Fairfax County. The area now exists largely as an aging commercial district that includes the Skyline Center, national chains, and an eclectic array of locally owned stores and restaurants. The adjacent neighborhoods are a mixture of low-rise apartments and single-family houses that provide homes to a diverse population. Fairfax County encourages revitalization of its older commercial areas and has designated Bailey's Crossroads as one of 5 commercial revitalization districts. As part of the revitalization process, the county initiated the Bailey's Crossroads Planning Study.
The Bailey's Crossroads Planning Study develops a long-term vision for the south and east side of Leesburg Pike and Columbia Pike in Bailey's Crossroads, and it is built on the recommendations of the Urban Land Institute's Advisory Services report that had some strategies for revitalizing Bailey's into a more urban place.
Public participation is an important part of this revitalization study. Supervisor Penelope Gross of the Mason District appointed a citizen advisory committee to ensure that the community plays an extensive role in the planning process. The planning study team, consisting of Fairfax County staff and urban consultants, presented 2 preliminary concepts to the community at a public open house to solicit citizen feedback. The concepts focused on transforming Bailey's Crossroads into a more urban place with improved pedestrian connectivity while maintaining compatibility with neighboring areas. The study team reviewed public comments on the 2 options and developed a preferred concept to be presented to the community. The preferred concept outlines an innovative approach to transform the Bailey's Crossroads Business Center from an underutilized commercial district into sustainable communities with new parks. The plan creates and enhances an urban street life with usable, walkable, and greener open spaces. The district would be developed into retail, residential, and office facilities with urban-style parks and an arts center to improve and anchor the area. The concept also takes an integrated approach to the transformation, creating vibrant mixed-use communities connected by a series of new streets, pedestrian walkways, bike lanes and trails, and transit routes. The planned Columbia Pike streetcar project is viewed as a priority for providing better physical connectivity and transit facilities. An extensive network of pedestrian walkways will connect green and urban environments seamlessly, while reducing the need for vehicles and providing residents easy access to areas in the community. This concept enriches the Bailey's Crossroads area with the intention of providing the county with a model of sustainable urban living. The heart of every great commercial district is a vibrant urban core. Based on the long-term vision of the preferred concept, the Bailey's Crossroads Planning Study will result in recommendations for changes to the Fairfax County Comprehensive Plan and strategies for implementing those changes. With continued support and input from the public, along with good urban design and planning, Fairfax County has a unique opportunity to transform the Bailey's Crossroads Business Center into a great urban destination with more opportunities to live, work, shop, and relax. If you would like more information on the planning study, please visit our website at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/dpz/projects/Baileys.